So the compote is cooled down a bit. I'm going to get the piping bag. And then fill the piping bag with the compote. Now what I have here is the Hemisphere mold. It's a silicone mold, and that's the shape of the insert that we are looking at for the mango compote. And I'm just going to go in and then fill into each of the cavities. So the mango compote is going to be quite flowy, so I'm just going to be a bit careful. Just going to snip this out and start filling. So I'm done with adding into the mold. I'm just going to tap it down. And this I'm just going to put it in the freezer for setting about 24 hours or little more. So we have the Hemisphere jellies set really well, so it should be like quite firm when we are going to take it out of the freezer and then directly arrange them on the layered cake. So I'll get back in the next lesson.